Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. So today is a commission piece and it's just using three colours, black, white and grey. I did a commission piece for the same client not so long ago, so I will link that video down below. And they want a similar design, so last time I did a chaos Dutch pour and I'm going to do exactly the same this time. But this time I'm going to use a grey base instead of a black base, and then I'm just going to layer the grey, the white and the black on top, blow it all into one and try and look at the composition. So, thank you for being with me. Let's see what we can create. Okay, so I think I've got most of you in. I think you can see most of the canvas. So this is going to be a chaos Dutch pour. So what I've decided to do is I'm going to do like a panel of grey here, a panel of grey here, and then a mixture of the colours in the middle. And then I'm going to blow those colours into the grey. This is a 30" by 12" deep edge canvas. It's a commission, so I have taped off the back and I've just painted my sides. The colours that I'm using are white, black and grey. All three colours are opaque. Okay, so let's get the grey down. Okay, so I think I'll have a panel about that big, maybe a bit bigger. Okay, and then a panel here. Okay, so then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to blow the grey first and then work on the middle. Okay, so that is good. I'm liking it already. So I do still need some of my grey in the middle, but what I need to remember is my black and my white mixed together, it's also going to be grey. Okay, so the paints are just mixed with water. Just going around the edge so I know I've got enough. And what I'm hoping is the infusion of all the colours are going to create some really nice sounds. Okay. I think I'll put a little bit more. Is that enough black, do we think? Okay, so a line of black down there, line of black down there. A bit of white, white. Okay, oh, hope I've got enough. Hope I have enough. That's a lump. Get that lump off. Do you know what? I think I will. I think I'll have enough. Okay. Just going to use my torch to get rid of all the air bubbles. What I'm going to do is I'm going to blow some of the grey back in over the edge, blow within the middle and then back out again into the grey. And you know, when I stop, I go, oh my God, look at all these cells. Okay. Okay, it's mixed really well. I just need to maybe have a little bit more darker colour here. But that's going to happen when I blow out. So I'm pretty happy with the middle. I'm now going to fan out each end. Let me start with this end. Okay, I'm really happy with that end. So when I look at this, I need to make sure that I leave about the same depth each side. Okay, I'm noticing straight away there's a lot of white here, so I'm going to just add a little bit of black. And what I'm doing, each time I stop, I'm just having a look at that composition. Okay, I'm really happy with this. I hope the client's going to be. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just tidy up my edges, and then I'll take you onto the canvas so you can have a look. Okay, there we go. Can you see? I love some of that detail. Some of the cells that have popped up. Look at that cluster just there. What I'll do is I will let this dry and I'll take you in for a close-up. And here is the dried version, guys. I'm so happy with it. And I spoke to the client, I showed them a picture, and they absolutely love it. So yeah, I'm really pleased. Thank you so much for joining me. I've listed all the details in the description below. And if you like what you see, please leave me a comment and a thumbs up. It really means a lot. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye.